Okay, the biscuits are ready to go in the oven, and I've preheated the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will make adjustments to the temperature if I need to, and I will leave them in anywhere from 12 to about 18 minutes, but I'll come right back. I'll pause right here. Hi, this is the final presentation of the biscuits. Aren't they pretty and golden brown? I'll be right back. Hi, this is Patty coming back to you to show you the final product of my biscuits. They are golden brown, 2 ingredients, only self-rising flour and heavy whipping cream. The ones that I did yesterday were so delicious, I had to come back and do another batch today. So, if you like my channel, please subscribe, tell your friends and family about us, and we are happy to have you come in and be a part of. Make comments, ask questions, and we will do our best to answer. If you want to be notified of the upcoming videos, just tap that notification bell. And we will be happy to have you. Okay, this is Patty, and I'm going to get one of the biscuits here, and I'm going to cut it open and let you see it. This is it, and this is the back side. Now, I am going to sample this. Flaky, good, moist. You can't beat it. Just 2 ingredients. Thanks for joining Patty's Southern Kitchen. Goodbye.